Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing subordinating conjunctions. All these things are very helpful in making complex sentences. So don't miss any video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. First of all, we will see glue words are known as subordinating conjunctions. A subordinate conjunction joins a main or an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. Let's see formula. Main clause plus subordinating conjunction plus subordinate clause. First of all, we will see whoever. It means any person. Let's learn with the help of example. First, whoever gets up first, don't wake the other. So here in this sentence, whoever means any person. So here whoever, that is subordinating conjunction. This gets up first, that is subordinate clause, and don't wake the other, that is main clause. Second example. Once the music stops, whoever is holding the beach ball is out. So here in the beginning main clause comes, then immediately after putting comma, whoever comes here, that is subordinating conjunction, and is holding the beach ball is out, that is subordinate clause. Let's learn with the help of more examples. Next sentence. Whoever leaves last should turn off the light. Means any person leaves the last should turn off the light. Next. Never tell me whoever calling. I am out. So here whoever means any person. Next. Whoever wins the election will serve only 4 years. So whoever means any person wins the election will serve only 4 years. Whoever receives the 3 lowest scores on the test will have to retake it. So whoever means any person. Ask them to answer the questions, and whoever gets the most right is the winner. So here whoever means any person, not proper indication is given, not particular or individual person is given, but whoever means any person. Next, whoever is left without a seat once the music stops is out of the game. So any person, it is related to any person. That's why we have used here in this sentence whoever. Let's learn next subordinating conjunction, and that is whom. So what is the meaning of whom? It is that to ask person receives an action. It means, in other words, you can say an object. In place of object you can use whom. Let's see examples. First, he is the man whom I met in UK. So we are talking about the man whom I met in UK. That's why here whom is proper. So he is the man, that is main clause, whom, that is subordinating conjunction, and I met in UK, that is subordinate clause. Next, this is the boy whom I punished. Here we are talking about an object. That's why we have used here whom. So here this is the boy, that is main clause, Whom, that is subordinating conjunction, and unpunished, that is subordinate clause. Let's see more examples. I saw the faces of those whom she loved at her birthday party. So here whom is used instead of an object. Fourth one. Do you know someone whom you admired? Whom? Next. I know whom you talk to. So here whom is used for an object. That's why whom is used. Next, the new president was not whom she expected. Whom is used instead of an object. Most of the students get confused in using who and whom. This slide will clear all your doubts regarding with who and whom. Let's learn with the help of example. First, Usha is an athlete who likes distance running. So here we are talking about Usha, that is the subject, that is noun. So that is why here we are adding something more, that who like distance running. So that's why for Usha we have used here who. So because we are talking about Usha, that is subject, that's why here who is used and not whom. Let's see second sentence. Kavya wrote a letter to a pen friend Pearl whom she had never met. So here Kavya, that is subject. Okay. And here pen friend Pearl. So we are talking about pen friend Pearl whom she had never met. That's why here whom is used. So when you want to talk about subject, then you have to use who. When you want to add something in an object or you want to use in addition to some object, then you need to use whom and not who. Hope your doubt is clear. Let's do exercise. Use whoever or whom in the following sentences. 3 sentences are given and you have to do it now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, I would like to thank make this website. So whoever or whom. So here whoever is proper. I would like to thank whoever made this website. So here whoever means any person. Next, receives the 3 lowest scores on the test will have to retake it. So here whoever or whom. So whoever is the correct answer. Whoever receives the 3 lowest scores on the test will have to retake it. So any person. Last one. The woman you met on Saturday is coming to dinner. So whom or whoever. So here whom is the correct answer. Why? Because we are talking about an object. The woman whom you met on Saturday is coming to dinner. So this is the correct answer. So hope you understood well. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing. Thank you so much.